channel. So today is my first episode of Puff to Possibilities. I'm gonna show you guys a clip of my promo for this series because I don't want to recreate it again, and I did it on Instagram and TikTok. So roll the clip. Yeah, at this point, this style is my emotional support hairstyle. If this style was our shoes, it would have leaned to the side the amount of times I wear this hairstyle.
Count 1, guilty. Count 2, guilty. Count 3, guilty. Count 4, guilty.
It's either this or a bun and I'm out. I want to change that. I want to make doing my natural hair fun again. So welcome to my new series called Puff to Possibilities. This is a series where I explore different natural hairstyles, whether trendy, cool, fun, creative, every episode. This series is all about me learning how to love my hair again, and also if it inspires you to fall back in love with your hair again, all the better. Hopefully this series inspires you to try something new. So welcome to Puff to Possibilities. My puff look nice though, but it's time for a change. Stay tuned. See you guys in my next video. Hairstyle for today. This is my inspo. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Let's just get into the video.
Impress me, baby girl. Let me see you do your dance. Let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Make a bit for the crowd, show the whole world. Yeah, is that your bestie? I'm an ice boy, we all like Resky. I'ma at you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty. Impress me. Hey, how many hoes in this club? Is it just me and you, my love? I don't mean to call you no hoe. I just heard about the things that you do, my love. And you're just like me if it's true, my love. Hey, you can see right through my love. Hey, I see your waist shrunk, my love. Hey, you got some bass in the trunk, my love. Damn, how many hoes in this club? Is it really just me, my love? You know my dad now pimpin' for real. You ever been down to Memphis, Tennessee, my love? I ain't saying I agree, my love. I'm just telling you the things that I see, my love. I got drinks, jokes, sex, and cash. Those are 4 things I can guarantee, my love. Hey, baby girl, let me see you do your dance. Let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a bit.
All right, I am done with the hairstyle. I did my makeup just a little bit, added some lashes because me just feel like me not have no ear. But this is the end. It looks good. Let me show y'all. Hold on. It turned out really nice. So that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post another video. And tune in for episode 2. Bye.